Hi guys, how are you? Today I'm gonna show you how you can find trends for merch on demand for t-shirt designs with a different way. Maybe some of you know this, but it's a very efficient way to find new trends that I constantly use to make new designs and find new approaches when when searching my niches. Okay.
How to find niches with Google Trends.
I am subscribed to the newsletter of Google Trends. You can do this here in this link. I will leave this link in the description, and here below you can subscribe here. I'm already subscribed here with this keyword, but you put your email and you get daily trends that are started to trend from Google's site, which is the biggest platform of information online, and you can get ideas for new t-shirts. Sometimes you find nothing, as always, but sometimes I'm gonna make the research now with you to see if we find something that inspired us to make new designs beside the typical method of finding niches or paid tools. Okay, this is free. Okay, so let's start. First, I have here icy sports, because now in the USA it's very cold with ice and snow. Okay, so these are the main searches for this week on Google. Go to ice hockey. We have now, that's the first idea, ice hockey. Figure skating championship. Search interest in boy aquarium. For example, we can go and search this. Okay, what is boy aquarium? I go to Google, put boy aquarium. Let's see, it's a viral TikTok trend started around 30 where women rebrand ice hockey arenas and places you to admire find attractive men. This is interesting. You see, it's a trend. Let's see. Is there something on merch? Boy Aquarium Social Club. Okay, what is this? Take me to the Boy Aquarium. It's the season. A lot of results, but let's see if it's worth it. It is a lot of results because of aquarium. Okay, but let's see Boy Aquarium. Here we have one. I love tapping on the Oblast Boy Aquarium Hockey. It seems interesting. Okay, here we have another one. Let's search for this one. Let's put better boy aquarium hockey, since it's related to hockey. Okay, this is better. See results, 300 results. That's good. And we have results and BSRs. You see, this is select. Wow. Let's see, and another results. Let's wait for the bestseller rank, and we got BSR. This I found it interesting. So you see, it's not like a viral trend, but it's set it. And now, since ice hockey is setting, and there seems to be a series or movie about it, about two gay ice hockey players. I think it's interesting. Okay, I'm gonna save this here and continue. Then, second hockey goalie warm-up was, what does GP mean in hockey? GP, let's see, hockey. GP, no, there's nothing here. Let's continue. Ice dance versus figure skating. Ice dance in pairs. Olympic booster. Use a men's hockey Olympic booster. What is this Olympic booster? I can go also to my one GPT I have here. Phrase investigator. That Jose Quiles made. It's open. You can find it on the GPT sub ChatGPT. I'm gonna put Olympic booster. Let's see what it brings. Isn't a specific trademark. Olympic solid could use the mean. I don't know. Let's see. Find something here. Rooster, a seller. There's topic. Saints. You can try it. Let's continue. Hockey rooster. Finding courage. Here's something interesting. How to find a hockey player boyfriend. Let's see a hockey boyfriend. Here we go. We have results. A certain results. It's okay. seller. See the DSR. Do we go? Let's see the DSRs. This is good. This is for Valentine's Day. Is it related to boyfriend and cocky? Good BSR. How many results for Southern? It's okay. You see the heart with the with the hockey player. Wow, good BSR. Stealing card like a steel box. That's a good BSR. Let's see steel parts on the hockey. Let's see make more. Let's see this a long-term phrase. How many results? 400. Wow. Valentine's Day is it. You still have Sundays. See BSR. Here you go. Good BSR. 50 plus post what in past month. How many results? 400. Wow, this is a good design. Okay, I'm gonna save this and then let's continue. Also, you can go here to Google Trends and go to trending now. It's in the same link where you subscribe to the newsletter. Of trending now, and you get results for last threads of the past hour. I'm gonna put here USA because I'm selling mostly the United States. USA. All categories or trends by relevance. Let's see we price something here. It's more difficult and you have to be very careful because it's with many popular actors. For example, this is Catherine O'Hara. It's an actress. Bill Gates, you can do this, but sometimes if you find keywords or events that you can use. Let's see. Government shutdown you can use, but I don't like to recommend for politics. It's kind of risky. Bitcoin price maybe. For example, here is Big Bear Ball Idleness. See this? And it got a huge package right here. Okay, let's search it on Google. What is this? What is this? Yes. I'm gonna search it on my phrase investigator again. See what it brings. But I don't know why by future in Deep Bear, California. The nest belong to wild bald eagle pair named Jackie and Shadow. It seems that it's a couple of eagles popular for a deep camera stream. Okay, they are very popular. Okay, let's search this eagle. Jackie and Shadow eagle. Wow. We have results, 200 results. Let's see this bestseller. Here we go. Let's see the PSR. Wow, we have PSR. We have only 220 results. And look, the PSR are good. King Shadow. I don't think this is Baymax. King Shadow. Because there are birds that are live stream. Okay, the eggs were reached by ravens. I think this is safe. Current in tier 10 or tier 100, perhaps we can sell weak t-shirts with this. You have to investigate better if it's not trademark, but this is not a show, this is not a series on Netflix or anything. It's just a live stream of two eagles had brothers with a raven, it seems. And I think I wanna say it. And then check here, we have niches. I'm gonna save it in a folder. We now have we use 3 interesting niches to dive into. You see, for example, if I choose to do Jackie and Shadow, that I think I will do, I go to my Gemini gems that you already know how to build that. I told you before. Anyway, if you wanna check that video, please check here, upper right. You will find the link. Like for example, I'm gonna use my 100 awesome Peters art styles that I built for myself. I'm gonna put the Jackie and Shadow design here and put Pro. Let's see also. Here we go. See, we put create image here. Pro, always Pro. If you have the paid plan, I'm gonna see the best result that suits for this niche. Okay, I'm gonna try 4 of them. Wow. We have a result here. So do design. I like it a lot. So we're gonna download. This I like, but it's on a mockup. So let's see the other one. This is like a more vectorized one. I also like it. And this I like a lot. It's like a handle. Okay. Then you can upscale and remove background. Check my previous videos about that. I hope you liked the video and see you on the next one. Please subscribe. Bye.